Oh, it's going to be interesting seeing the results of the jugglers backstroke. 145, 145, the two low bids so far. Getting ready at the starting blocks in the ladies course. Andrea Doric at block number 1, Sadie Buckley at block 2, Caitlin Humble at block number 3, block 4, Isabella Bachman, Tierney Lenahan at block number 5, Allison Vidoka at block number 6, Claire Mihawk at block 7 and 8 is Sadie Murphy getting ready to go. In the gentlemen's course, it's heat number 17, taking ownership of the starting blocks. That's Tommy Sparty at block number 1, Evan Conti at 2, Martin Parasinski at block number 3, Kyle Peck at 4, block 5 is James Dennison, Sean Green at block number 6, Braden Mappin at block 7, and Diego Balbi at block number 8 getting ready to go. And the ladies closing into the finish, reach the touch, and 158 floor and change. Ladies course, heat 19.